All right, number 3, x equal to y minus 3, and x over 2 plus 2y equal to 6. Which order pair x comma y satisfy the system equation shown above? Okay. For this question, what we could do is we could try the answer choices, right? So since we have all these answers, we know for each order pair, the first numbers are x value, second one's a y value. We could plug in, and then we do have to check for both equation, right? Make sure it works for both equation. Okay, so that's one way to do it. Or we could solve it algebraically as well. And so let's just solve it algebraically for this one. So the best way to do this, for system equation, we can do a substitution or elimination. And for this one, I think it will be easier if we do a substitution here, because the first equation, we already have x equal to something, and we already got x equal to x by itself. So we can just go ahead and plug in and substitute. Right, since we know x is equal to y minus 3, we can just take that and we're going to plug in where x is into the second equation. So now the second equation will be, instead of x over 2, we get y minus 3 over 2 plus 2y equal to 6. Okay, and once we have this equation, we can solve for y. And since we also have a denominator, like a fraction here, let's just go and multiply by 2 on both sides to cancel out the fraction. Okay, so we distribute and multiply the 2 over 2, and this 2 will cancel to get y minus 3. And we also have to distribute the 2 with a 2y, so it'll be plus 4y. And then here will be 6 times 2 will be 12. Okay, and then we can combine like terms on the left side. Y plus 4y is 5y minus 3 equal to 12. Then do plus 3 on both sides. We get 5y equal to 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay, so 5y equal to 15. So we can solve for y by dividing by 5 on both sides. Okay, 15 over 5, which is 3. Okay, we get y equal to 3. So we know the y value had to be 3. And look at the order pair. So only one that has 3 have to be b, right? So 0, 3. Okay. If you want, we can solve for x value. I just can plug into the first equation. And x is y equals 3. So if y is 3, then x will be 3 minus 3, which is 0. Okay. Yeah, so x is 0, y is 3. So the solution should be 0, 3. All right. So that's how we solve algebraically. But of course, we can definitely plug in the answer choices and try them out, and it should work for both equations.